Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It is day, I think, 20 of me recording this progress challenge videos. Okay, I am gonna have it is a little bit, I think 5 or even less minutes left before 9. I'm gonna try my freaking best to, you know, I just, hit the record button to show you this. I mean, like, you see that? I mean, the whole point is that you basically cannot see anything because it's just, this, how would you call it, dust? I think smoke, right, in the air. And yeah, how hardly you can see anything. Yeah, feels like sad, definitely. I mean, there is no light that, I mean, you can see basically anything, if you have seen my previous videos, you could have seen the next house in front of you clearly, and now you can't see basically anything, right? So yeah, that's what I wanted to document, just this natural disaster, you call it, you name it. Okay, and okay, one thing I was doing here is, look, as soon as I opened my laptop, in the evening when I was DMing yesterday, I didn't close Instagram's tab. Like, I mean, just all this, tab was open, and I'm like immediately see a potential people who can, like, looks like they have ability to buy from me. I'm like, one person, scroll a little bit, and like second person, just the it keeps popping up. Usually you have to like search for these people, all these potential clients. And yeah, I mean, there is a page in Atomic Habits, which I mean topic, not page, which says make it easy. And I think, opening this Instagram tab, not closing Instagram's tab yesterday night at night, helped me a lot, because I just opened my laptop and there's just like Chrome open, and Chrome's Instagram's web app was open, and I'm just like, before 9 a.m. I mean 9 a.m. yes, before having a call, I'm like, let me just DM at least 10 or 20 people. It's already gonna help me. Yes, the goal is to actually like DM to 50 people, but if I'm gonna do 10 or 20 right now, it's already something. It's like halfway through, right? So yeah, if you are like doing something similar as if I am, you're probably outreaching to people also, and a lot of times it sucks because you see all these people who I message to, right? And like very few of them, like 2 days, 1 day, a lot of them are, never have seen my message, never have read it. And like only like, I think maybe one or two, like this guy here, actually replied to my message and like have a conversation with him. And even then he said that, I don't, but if someone does, I will tell you. Like, yeah, no one is buying, and you kind of sometimes get demotivated. But brother, like, the beautiful thing about this kind of outreach method, texting method, is that even if it's gonna be a freaking 1 week or 2 weeks, you see here 2 weeks or whatever, like it can be 1 month since you message them. But if they come back to Instagram freaking 2 weeks later after you message them, and like they go to their request or like, you know, any kind of box, their request box, and they see you message them, and they like, wow, I think, yeah, I'm gonna reply to this guy, and just, you know, there's gonna be just see now, and maybe, you know, like, if you are not deleting your message, there is hope since you message them. I don't care, it's gonna be like freaking 3 years after you message this guy. If he decides go to his request box and sees your message there, brother, there is like always chance, always hope that this guy can saw your message, you know, like maybe get interested, reply to you, and like, you know, like the hard work which you have put in 3 years before this thing happening gonna pay off finally. That's what I call God has a plan for you. Allah has a plan for you. Maybe this guy not replying to you for, you know, some kind of period of time is just a test of your patience, right? Test of your patience. Are you gonna keep going? Are you gonna keep trying? Are you gonna keep doing everything which you need to do? Uh, you know, like all these correct things which you're supposed to do, right? Are you gonna continue remembering God and like putting trust on Him and like continue outreaching to these people, even if like there is like, I don't know, I can very confidently say that, you know, that thousands of people in here, you know, probably if not tens of thousands of them. So yeah.